right, welcome back, Fenner Time family. So it's time to put Zest Achilles into his attack stamina trial. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let's get ready for some epic Beyblade videos. So
let's go.
All right, you'll notice we changed up the lineup a little bit here. All right, so starting off, we will start off with Wind Knight. Wind Knight. I can't get jumping. Oh, okay. Yeah, we definitely need a new driver for this guy. A Scorpion Plex. Right. It was an attack stamina, so I don't know how you attack stamina, like straight stamina. Oh, looks like he's attacking now. Oh, man.
Hey, that was good.
Oh, man. He went from stamina to attack. Okay, took some of his energy and started beating him up.
He got rid of the hit.
Guys. Oh, a stamina beat down. Man. Okay, next we have Fugazi Valkyrie. He loses a piece of himself every time. Look at all of that damage. Yep, that's what happens when you Fugazi. Ready. All right, Fugazi. I don't know how many more matches he got left in him before he's done for. All right, next we have King Helios MR. King Helios MR. Ready? Try to get his attack on. Ooh! Ooh, he got him under him. Ooh! Ooh, that definitely will end up being a short.
That was the first time.
Yeah, he got bursted out. And it wasn't even on an initial attack like it usually happens on the initial attack. This happened like later in the battle then. All right, next we have Gatling Dragon. Gatling Dragon. Ready? Achilles got his first official burst. All right, Gatling Dragon is down. Next we have Ultimate Valkyrie. Ultimate Valkyrie. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh
no. Yeah, he's about to lose a lot of his energy. Ultimate Valkyrie pulled off some very surprising wins in one of our earlier battles. I can't remember which one it was.
I remember when he countered Achilles. I think it was like left.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Left attack on.
All right, took him down. Okay. Next we have Astral Kitty. Astral Kitty. Affirm. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Astral Kitty. Okay. She's up. Next. This one right here does not need any introduction. You know who this guy is. This is, matter of fact, give me a second, y'all. Let me move a little bit closer. Here we go. Okay. Right about there. That's good.
The perfect thing.
All right. That is Devil Excalibur. Devil Excalibur. Ready.
Let's do this.
Uh-oh. Some stubs happening. Some stubs happening. That doesn't mean nothing.
Yep.
Yep, and he's done. All right, that was Excalibur is down.
Yep, when he hit the disc, that was over.
Yeah.
That was all
Okay. This guy has showed out to be something special. This right here is Z4 Excalibur. But if you're gonna use Z4 Excalibur, you have to use his launcher. You have to use his launcher. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
He did a few damage earlier. Some few damage.
Oh, almost. If I had only him, maybe it could have been a little different. All right, this guy here also doesn't need a introduction. This is Cyclone Bilal, aka Blue Beetleplex. Ready? 3, 2, 1. He's scoping him out. Like, when am I gonna come down? Right? Oof. All right.
That was great. That was good. That hit was good.
Up. Who's gonna get it? Oh, Blue Beetle. Cyclone Bilal takes the dive. Okay. We have not seen that many times. All right, next we have actual Savior Valkyrie. Make sure he's locked in. Ready. Woo! Oh, he tried it though.
And he bounced back too.
He bounced back like he bounced off the rope to attack. Good, but it's still lost. Next we have Dynamite Bilal, perfect gear. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, nice hard hit. Right off the gate. Oh! That's going to be a short. All right, I took him down. So far, he has taken 3 L's. Next, we have Greatest Raphael. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Another hard hit out the gate. And so far, he's tried to burst it twice. We haven't seen that many times, these DBs. Not in the trial, at least. We'll get this. It's gonna be Zest. Nice. All right, so Greatest Raphael is down. All right, let's see how he's gonna do against this guy here. Astral Spriggan. Ready? Ooh, Astral Spriggan attacking.
Close.
Got Achilles versus Spriggan right here. Spriggan is a very respected name, just like the Achilles are. Ooh, I want to say that was Astral Spriggan got that. All right, so he's up next. Next, we have Sparking Hyperion R. Oops, I'm gonna put him on the left. Sparking Hyperion R. Get in there. Ready? You want to All right.
And easy way for Spriggan.
Easy way. Spriggan. You can
Give me
Achilles.
Achilles.
All right. Next, we have Chain Phoenix.
Both go to Spriggan.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I had out of Fenner, but
Ooh. Oh, nice stub, nice stub, nice stub. He's out of there. Next, we have Sparking Helios R. Sparking Helios R. What's that M?
That's M.
So actually, why you
I'll let you do all that, you know.
Yeah, why don't you correct me? So Sparking Helios M. Right, just want to shoot. He's attacking, but not really doing too much damage to him. But that doesn't mean nothing. Oh, he's pushing him down. That don't mean that either. Oh, wait. Who's gonna get this? Oh. And it's gonna go to Achilles. All right, next we have Divine Bilal with the 2 gear.
Second gear.
Second gear. I don't know why I keep saying 2 gear. Second gear. Ready. Boom, hard hit. Divine Bilal, perfect gear. Bursted him earlier. And right now he's gonna get his revenge. He's down. Next.
He's only got 2 gears anyways. He got skills.
Alright, next we have Dynamite Bilal. Dynamite Bilal. Let's see if he's gonna beat up one of the other ones. Ready. Alright. Better get down there. Alright. Oh, Stubbed out. Okay.
Nice.
Next. My boy. Guilty. Long. Keenness. Alright, ready. He's gonna stalk him first, and then he's gonna come down for the attack. Stalk him.
Close. That was close, but.
Stalk him. Come down for the attack. Alright. He's attacking. Over and over. He's getting stubbed, but it don't mean nothing. He's stubbing him, but it don't mean nothing. Now that goes to Achilles. Achilles got that one. Yeah, that last little bit of spin. Alright. Last but not least, we have Vanish Fafnir. Ready. Just want to Alright. Who's gonna get it? It's another classic battle of ours, the Fafnir and the Spriggans. If you've been watching, you go back. The Fafnir and the Spriggans always find a way to battle each other. Who's gonna get this? And it's gonna be Vanish Fafnir. All right, we'll be right back. Gonna crunch some numbers. All right, so our Achilles here, and his attack stamina to the right got a whopping 17 out of 22, which computes to 77%. That is good. That is really good.
Pretty good.
The only one above that is 82% for 18 out of 22. I want to see at least one time in one of our trials where a Beyblade goes ahead and wins all of them for 100%. I would like to see that at least one time.
Yeah, I wanted to see that too.
No, I mean, that'd be crazy if we get that one Beyblade that get that, but we haven't seen it yet. Anyway, we thank you guys for watching. We can continue on to the next video after this, which will be attack stamina in the left. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. And as always, like,
share,
comment,
subscribe.
Dad Cam R out. He didn't decide. He didn't know what he wanted to do, y'all. I don't know what that was. What's going on there, y'all?
I messed it up.
Did you crack your elbow?
Mm?
Did you crack your elbow?
Yes.
Please just be simple with it. All right, y'all, we out of here.